Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So, today I'm going to be showing you how to make a, working light switch. And how to, turn it off and on. So the things you're going to be needing are, a lever, redstone repeater, and a redstone lamp. Okay, so the first thing you're gonna do is find where you're gonna place it. So I didn't want to place it like next to a wall or next to a room, so I put it right here in the balcony. And it's also like 2 blocks thick, so it's the perfect thick. Anyway, so the first thing second thing you're gonna need to do is build up to the roof or any like floor you're doing. So in my case, I'm just doing the top floor. And I'm setting the time today so I can see the redstone because we're working on black hole. It might kind of be messy on the outside, but it will look really cool on the inside. I was an idiot for not leaving that wall and putting it behind that. Okay, so then you're just gonna build all the way to where you're gonna place your redstone lamps, where I remove this glass. I was thinking about putting it all over the house, but it was a bad. I didn't want to. Okay, so you just want to connect them like that. And then cover it up. And there you have it. That's how you make a working light switch. I'll turn the time to midnight so you can see it better, kind of. Oh yeah, and also you can do like a whole effect where one turns off and then it delays and wait till the other one turns on. You just put a redstone repeater and put it all the way back between them. That's how you do it. As you can see, it kind of delays. Yep. That's it. And so comment down below if you should do a house tour of my house that me and my friend built. It took us like a very long time to make it. So yeah, that's it. And have a nice day and goodbye.